Bukola Saraki have finally break his silence on his association with Hush Puppy as APC accused him of fraud. The former Senate President Dr. Abubakar Bukola Saraki of Kwara State has described as irresponsible and cheap politics the statement that was credited to the All Progressive Congress (APC) and signed on his behalf by one Yekini Nabina, in which he tried to link him with a cybercrime suspect. Recall Ramon Abbas, who was recently arrested in the United Arab Emirates and extradited to the United States. Saraki, in a statement issued in Abuja today, stated that he has no form of association with the said suspect, Ramon Abbas, otherwise known as Hush Puppy, and neither does he know him in any way. The statement credited to the APC, the ruling party in Nigeria, is one of the ways by which our anti-graft agencies are weakened and why the fight against corruption in the country is often viewed with suspicion by the international community. This is because when these cybercrime suspects were operating freely and openly displaying wealth, the APC saw nothing bad in their activities. Also, the party at that time did not deem it necessary to call on the anti-graft agencies to investigate their activities. Also, since the arrest of those cybercrime suspects and the subsequent damage to the image and the economy of Nigeria, as well as the crisis it created for Nigerians engaged in lawful businesses across the world, the ruling party had been muted. The only time the APC deemed it necessary to make a statement was when it thought it should play dirty, cheap, and irresponsible politics. Dr. Saraki, who was the only political leader who has publicly made a statement through an opinion-type article published in the Daily Trust newspaper of July 1st, 2020, titled "Cyber Criminals Confronting the Few Who Dent Many," and these opinion articles had been widely circulated online and on other platforms. In that article, he strongly condemned the activities of these cyber criminals and called on the law enforcement agencies and other stakeholders to make decisive interventions to checkmate their activities. He has also got a research institution, the Politia Institute, whose board he chairs to commend research on the best ways to tackle the menace. Such a noble intervention in tackling a menace is what Bukola Saraki believes in, not mudslinging and playing politics at the expense of the nation's image. At this point, we call on the APC leadership to rein in on the so-called Yekini Nabana and compel him to desist from making and circulating such malicious, odious, and offensive claims, the statement concluded. Recall, earlier in the day, the All Progressive Congress have asked PDP to ask the EFCC to prove PDP leaders linked to Hush Puppy. The ruling All Progressive Congress (APC) has linked top PDP leaders of the opposition party to Ramon Abbas, also known as Hush Puppy, who was recently arrested alongside his associates in Dubai for alleged cybercrime. Mr. Abbas, known for his lavish lifestyle on Instagram, has been extradited to the United States of America to face trial for alleged cyber fraud, possibly money laundering, among other crimes. However, the APC, in its first reaction since Instagram celebrity was arrested, accused Nigeria former Vice President Atiku Abubakar, immediate past Senate President Bukola Saraki, a former Speaker of the House of Representatives Yakubu Dogara, a Senator, Senator Dino Malaye, among party stewards of shady links with Hush Puppy. That the PDP leadership turned Dubai into their strategic meeting place ahead of 2019 general elections in Nigeria, and Hush Puppy affinity with the PDP leadership is not mere coincidence. The APC deputy spokesperson Yekini Nabina said in a statement issued on Saturday morning, at different times Hush Puppy was seen photographed in Dubai meeting with the PDP 2019 presidential candidate Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, former Senate President Bukola Saraki, former Speaker House of Representatives Yakubu Dogara, Senator Dino Malaye, and other PDP stewards, while relevant authorities investigate the nature of the relationship and business partnership. We also challenge the PDP leadership to do same by opening up on the nature of the relationship, particularly the kind of services the arrested Hush Puppy provided them, he added. However, other than some circulated pictures of Mr. Hush Puppy with some leaders of the PDP in the past, there is no other evidence to show that they are close affiliates as portrayed by the APC. Even though members of these two dominant parties in Nigeria have been fingered in vote-buying scandals in past by different election monitoring groups, Mr. Nabina in the statement said the PDP is notorious for vote buying and projected the possibility is employing the same means in the forthcoming governorship election in Edo and Ondo states. When reporters tried to contact the PDP spokesperson, Kola Ologbo-Diyan, through a phone call for a reaction to these claims, he said he will need to speak to the highlighted names before he can release an official statement. This report also called on Paul Ibe, the spokesperson to Mr. Atiku, but said he would rather not comment on the allegation until the party PDP release an official statement, since it is more on the party than individual. Mr. Malaye's line was switched off when contacted, while Turaki Hassan and Yusuf Olani Yonu, the spokesperson to Mr. Dogara and Saraki respectively, did not answer the call. And as can be stated here, and as you can see, this is a mere allegation being made by the APC against the leadership of the PDP. On my own part, I would say I expect more from this APC, because from what is being said, I believe they are doing this right now because of the forthcoming Edo and Ondo governorship election. What I always say in such a situation, and when things like this happen, I always tell Nigerians and every other person that Nigeria politicians should stop playing dirty politics. Instead of discussing idea and ideology on how to solve Nigeria problem, they are busy fingering those that they want to link with Hush Puppy. I believe Hush Puppy have been parading himself ever since, and Nigeria have not done anything concerning him. If not that he has been arrested by the FBI, I don't think the APC will be making such salacious allegation right now. And because they have been caught, they are now making accusing finger across the board to the PDP. I believe those in APC should have a first-hand news and a first-hand information before coming out to attack or to accuse anybody of any crime. Because they are the ruling party, they are in power, and they have unlimited access to every information that comes in. And I believe Saraki have done the best thing by coming out to denounce that and to point the APC in the direction which is supposed to be. With this and many more, I want to know how you feel and what you think concerning these allegations being made by APC against the leadership of the PDP, and the reactions of Saraki if you are satisfied with him or you want him to do more. That's all we can take for now. I'll see you at the comment section. Thank you.